I have had to look profile fan with new bearings. Okay, turn on low. Let me show on medium and high. This one was very obviously having bearings starting to go bad. It was bad enough for me to decide to replace the bearings. So when I opened the motor to replace the bearings, I noticed some zip ties had worn out. Just to be safe, I put new zip ties in. This fan is made by CEI. And I know of one CEI hugger which ended up sparking. And it could be a case of this tie wearing out and wires coming out of motor windings. Like happened to my AirMax motor in Stratford 2. Though I didn't get that blade for that Stratford 2. But I did manage to fix that AirMax motor. It's much quieter with new bearings. Still has a little wobble and it blows a good amount of air. And it's still slower than my 3 other low profile 5. Probably because of some pitch. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.